Hi everyone, my name is Kathleen Farnsworth. I'm an EMT, RN, and certified AHA instructor. I come to you today to request you to bring about a change that would help everyone in our community. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, or CPR, is an emergency life-saving procedure that is performed when someone's heart stops beating. Immediate CPR can double or triple the chances of survival after cardiac arrest. I propose that simply by teaching students throughout their high school education how to perform CPR and use an AED will have an increase in the number of people who survive out of hospital cardiac arrest. By requiring the New York State Board of Education to establish a program where all students in high school take a yearly CPR class, we'll have an increase in the number of bystanders performing CPR. From freshman year throughout their senior year, the students will be required to take a CPR class, pass a written test, and demonstrate the skills needed to save a life. You see, time is tissue. In less than 4 to 6 minutes of not having oxygen and nutrients circulating throughout the body will result in brain damage and possibly even brain death. Teaching these students will help prepare them if they witness a cardiac arrest. It will allow them to know how to respond and to do so effectively. It may even encourage them to enter into the medical field down the line. The goal of Healthy People 2020 is to increase the percentage of bystander CPR from 39.6% to 44.6%. This can be established by training more individuals, ensuring that they know how and when to do CPR, and more importantly, that they have the skills to do so. Supplies that are needed would cost the school district very little. Listed here is the supplies that would be needed. In training individuals to teach the students, we are also training more people to help save a life. I plead to the New York State Assembly, New York State Board of Education, and everyone in the public to demand this be enacted. In this difficult time, we realize the importance of healthcare workers, the first responders, and the essential personnel out there dealing with the COVID pandemic. Help me, help them by training people what to do when they are faced with someone going into cardiac arrest in front of them. Please stay safe, keep your distance, and stay home. And most importantly, thank you for what you are all doing during this very difficult time.